What's up, guys? Do you know the difference between Power BI and Tableau? Do you know which amongst the two is more in demand today? All these questions of yours will be answered in this video summary. Let's have a look. What is Power BI? What is Tableau? Power BI is a software used to perform, extract, transform, and load operations on data and provide graphical data representations. Whereas Tableau is a software analogous to Power BI and is used for complex data analysis visually. What are the key differences between Power BI and Tableau? First, data compatibility. It is a metric which measures the quantity of volumes of data which can be processed. Second, ease of use. It measures how efficient it is for a user to present and create quantitative visuals. Third, cost efficient. It is a metric which measures whether the services of a software are cheap or expensive. Fourth, sharing of resource. It represents the degree of data sharing within a software. Fifth, server connectivity. It is the measure which quantifies how compatible large-scale operations are on a software. Data compatibility. Power BI can handle small to medium-sized raw data in form of Excel sheets, CSV like formats. Data having a few column attributes and a few thousand rows are well analyzed in Power BI. While Tableau can handle large and complex raw data in form of JSON, Excel and CSV files. Ease of use. Power BI is user-friendly and is code-free to use, whereas Tableau is hard to use for users with non-technical background. Since it has to be optimized with Java or Python or C or C++ like programming languages. Sharing of resources. The integrations of Power BI reports are tightly bound to Microsoft ecosystem since it is a Microsoft product, whereas the Tableau reports are a Salesforce product and hence its integration with third party is not flexible. Cost effective. Power BI is available freely to a range of product services such as Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium and Power BI Embedded, which come in pocket-friendly options. Whereas Tableau comes in ranges such as Tableau Public, Tableau Creator, Tableau Explorer and Tableau Viewer, which are all expensive except the free version which is Tableau Public. Hence, when compared with Microsoft Power BI, the pricing of Tableau is expensive. Server connectivity. Power BI has a very good connectivity with Excel, Azure and SQL servers. Since these being Microsoft product, it gives first preference of report connectivity to these servers. Whereas Tableau has its first preference as Tableau Server Services platform for its connectivity. Thank you.